Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Have you heard about Snapchat's latest feature called My AI? In this video, I will show you how to get this feature on your Snapchat. Let's go! First off, make sure you've updated Snapchat on your device to access its new features. Therefore, open the App Store, then search for Snapchat, and click the update button if it's available. To clarify, the My AI feature is exclusively available for Snapchat Plus subscribers, which is Snapchat's paid service. If you haven't subscribed just yet, open on Snapchat, navigate to your profile, then tap the Snapchat Plus banner on your dashboard. Then choose the plan you want, whether it's a monthly or annual subscription. Please note that the pricing may vary depending on your region. Then once you've chosen your plan, click on Start 7-day free trial to continue. Tap Subscribe, then enter your Apple ID. You can also use your Face ID and then click on Done or OK to complete your subscription. After the free trial period ends, your account will be billed at the premium price you've selected. Normally, upon subscribing, you will also be granted automatic access to the upgraded version of the app. However, if you encounter access issues, just force quit and reopen Snapchat app. Afterwards, you should now have full access and privileges to the My AI feature on your Snapchat. By default, this feature is activated upon subscription. So to access My AI, directly simply go to the chat section within the app. For more information on what Snapchat's My AI is and how it works, just click the tag in the upper right corner of your screen. And that's it. And that is how we get My AI on your Snapchat.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.